everybody on the Pro Forum. Okay, so crazy thing to talk about is just fast, is glue. You ever have stuff like break on your camera or whatever, and you just, it's not really, I just wish there was a way to get it back on there. Well, I discovered yesterday the craziest way, glue. Epoxy glue. Now, this is not a revelation, okay? But my little device that I use to anchor my phone down in the car that Tom Usher gave me, by the way, thank you again, Tom Usher, well, it broke. Go figure. Maybe overuse or whatever. But the little suction cup thing that sucks it down to the windshield broke. So I'm like, how can I love this little thing. So you see it, this is it right here. Let me see if I can get my camera on it. Right there. All right. So I'm gonna take it down just so we can kind of see it. All right. Well, this suction cup thing here is for the GoPro. And this little device here was the thing that Tom Usher sent me. So I needed to get it to connect to this GoPro device. So I got me one of these little GoPro fittings that they send you a ton of these things and you don't use all of them. And so I took it and just simply glued it. See this glue here, this white glue? This is the glue you can get like at a hardware store that comes in what looks like a syringe tube. And it has two compartments, and you squirt it out, and it squirts out together, then you mix it up, and then you apply it, and it hardens. Well, this thing hardens. I mean, it is absolutely as hard as plastic. It is bonded this plastic together like you would not believe. And it just works so good. It got me to thinking that there may be a use for this in the camera world. We have I'm always needing this thing to attach to that thing, and I'm using clamps, and I just wish it would just be there permanent. Well, here may be the solution. Now, I would love to see what some of you guys think about this, or how you have maybe used this kind of thing, because surely I'm not the first one to think of this. But anyway, that's the point. That's it. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.